System. Endocrine system is all about the organs that produce and release hormones to regulate various bodily functions. So, there's 7 main points in endocrine system, and these are hypothalamus. This releases hormone that regulates hunger, thirst, and sleep, and also body temperature. Pituitary gland, located at the base of the brain, it controls other endocrine glands. It has 3 hormones, and these are HGH, human growth hormone, which stimulates growth and cell regeneration. ACTH triggers the adrenal glands. Oxytocin, and this is only effective or involved in women, which is in female reproductive system. This involved in childbirth and bonding. Pineal gland produces melatonin, which regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Thyroid gland, located in the neck, it controls metabolism and releases 2 hormones. These are thyroxine T4 and tridithyronine, which is T3, to regulate energy use. To adrenal gland, this is located at the top of our kidney. It has 2 parts, which consist of adrenal cortex. This produces cortisol, which is a stress response, and aldosterone, which regulates our blood pressure. Adrenal medulla produces adrenaline and noradrenaline for fight or flight responses towards any danger or harm in the body. Now, we have pancreas. This regulates our blood sugar levels. This also releases 2 hormones, which is insulin and glucagon. Insulin lowers blood sugar, while glucagon raises blood sugar. Moving on to testes, which is applied to male. Produces testosterone, responsible for sperm production and male characteristics, such as getting broader shoulder or having a more defined face.
The female reproductive system is responsible for producing eggs, ova, facilitating fertilization and supporting the development of a fetus during pregnancy. It includes ovaries, 2 small organs that produce eggs and hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Fallopian tubes, tubes that transport eggs from the ovaries to the uterus. Fertilization usually occurs here. Uterus, a hollow organ where unfertilized egg implants and grows into a fetus. Cervix, the lower part of the uterus that open into the vagina, allowing the passage of menstrual blood, sperm, and the baby during childbirth. Vagina, a muscular canal that connects the uterus to the outside of the body and serves as the birth canal and pathway for menstrual blood. The system also involves hormonal regulation, which governs the menstrual cycle and pregnancy.
The male reproductive system is responsible for producing, maintaining, and transporting sperm and semen. It includes several key structures which are: these are the male gonads that produce sperm and the hormone testosterone. Epididymis, a coiled tube where sperm mature and are stored. Vas deferens, a duct that transports sperm from the epididymis to the urethra. Seminal vesicles and prostate gland. These produce fluids that mix with sperm to form semen, providing nourishment and protection to sperm. Urethra, the tube through which semen is ejaculated from the body during sexual activity. It also serves as a passage for urine.
The nervous system is a complex network of cells that coordinates and controls the activities of the body. It enables communication between different body parts and processes sensory information to regulate bodily functions, thoughts, and behaviors. Brain, the control center responsible for processing sensory information, decision-making, memory, emotions, and regulating bodily functions. Next, we had somatic nervous system. somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements and transmits sensory information from the body to the CNS. And lastly, we have seminal vesicles. Autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary functions like heartbeat, digestion, and breathing. It has two parts. Sympathetic nervous system activates the body's fight or flight response, and stressful parasympathetic nervous system promotes rest and digest functions, calming the body after stress.